Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skull and Roses, a thrilling game of bluffing and deduction. To begin, each player receives a set of 4 circular cards, 3 beautiful roses and 1 ominous skull. You also get a personal playing mat. The objective is simple: be the first to successfully reveal 2 rounds of roses, or be the last player standing after others are eliminated. It's a game of wits, not luck. The game starts with players taking turns placing 1 card face down onto their personal mat. You can choose to play either a rose or your skull card. This continues around the table. Once at least 1 card is on every mat, a player can choose to make a bet instead of placing another card. They declare a number, betting they can flip that many rose cards without revealing a skull. Once a bet is made, other players can either pass, exiting the current bidding, or raise the bet by declaring a higher number of cards they can flip. The player who makes the highest unchallenged bid must then attempt to flip that many cards. They begin by revealing all cards on their own mat, then select cards from other players' mats. If they successfully reveal only roses, they win the round. If a skull card is revealed during the flipping phase, the bidding player immediately loses one of their cards. The player whose skull was revealed gets to choose which card the losing player discards permanently. If a player loses all 4 of their cards, they are eliminated from the game. The ultimate victory goes to the player who successfully wins 2 rounds, or is the last player remaining.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.